Light skin, dark skin, bottom line you quite heavy. Jeans looking like you flipping motherfuckers with spaghetti. Light skin, dark skin, bottom line you quite heavy. Jeans looking like you flipping motherfuckers with spaghetti.
You a ratchet, something about them leggings you wearing. Bitch, you got the body of a goblin. In an ugly competition, you got it. You ratchet, you know it. Bitch, you is a
Light skin,
ratchet.
dark skin, bottom line you quite heavy. Jeans looking like you flipping motherfuckers with spaghetti. Light skin, dark skin, bottom line you quite heavy. Jeans looking like you flipping motherfuckers with spaghetti.
Hoes out here built like mashed potatoes. If she was a model, hit that bitch with some tomatoes. Built like refrigerators, built like kitchen tables. I went to her house once just cause some food and that free cable. Built like a building, ratchets of all sizes. So much makeup on it's even ratchets in disguises. All these hoes be losing, but they swear that they be winning. I swear this bitch wanna fuck me, but this bitch is fucking ugly. And if she look at me again, I swear to God I'm running. This shit is not funny, cause I do not fuck with ratchets. These hoes out here fucking for bus passes. All these bitches high as shit, these bitches high as these gas prices. You a ratchet, something about them leggings you wearing. Bitch, you got the body of a goblin. In an ugly competition, you got it. You ratchet, you know it. Bitch, you is a
Light skin, dark skin,
ratchet.
bottom line you quite heavy. Jeans looking like you flipping motherfuckers with spaghetti. Light skin, dark skin, bottom line you quite heavy. Jeans looking like you flipping motherfuckers with spaghetti.
Ooh, girl, your ass is super wrong. Coming to the club and you got on a damn dirty thong. Ooh, look at what you wearing, girl. The club owner should put you out when you make an appearance. And you got me shook, I'm trying not to look, but I keep staring. Tracks in your head, girl, must be running errands. Ooh, grown as hell, I went there, the truth. Who coming, you, her, and who? What I look like, bitch? Motherfucking fool. To tell the truth, I'm really scared of you. And your drawers got stripes like a general. Feel sorry who get into you. Take them ugly hoes down the rules. Girl, you a ratchet, you know you is. Girls like you, didn't know I know. You broke my heart for that nigga that's so bad. On the south side, that shit is respected. I don't want you no more. You this ratchet shit, ratchet with love handles, you fat bitch. You need to go on a diet, you stink fat hoe. I ain't playing with y'all, no fucking mo. I ain't gon' shoot the shit and I ain't gon' fake the fucking front. You hoes a stink, your ass stink, your pussy stink. You ain't what you thought you was, bitch. You not. Check your weed, your shit is nappy in the back. You rat tail stank coochie hoe. I ain't gonna be nice to you bitches no more. Fuck y'all. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. You're ratchet. Girl, you know you smell like some garbage. Take your ass out. Fuck. See you later. Bye bye. Don't come back no more. Barefoot Pookie, don't do it again and again. Hit it from the back again and again. In and in, I stick it in and I win. Oh, you never heard me blow like that. You didn't know I could do it like that. Bitch, I'm from Chicago, the west side to the big Zach, but then I move back to the north side of NPLS. Nigga, you just say yes, you ain't got to say no. I would do it anyway, but it's not right because it's consensual. Because bitch, you said
you're right. No, yes, no, you're right. Okay.
yes. That's all I got, G. Down.